Hey guys, this is Wanshu Palam. Today I'm looking the actor Fuzalo doing both music and acting. Number one is Zulu Boy. You can remember Zulu Boy singing the song Nomalanga Wongshieloba. That song was amazing song. Number two is Sbu as Sinpiwe Machus.
Nizobona ngobobo ubavela laleli Nizobona ngobobo bandaba.
Number three is the man of Big Valley, Big Zulu and Sjava. As you know, Big Zulu doing the song Imalining that trends recent days, and Sjava. Sjava is Uchumbikazi. Yeah, that man on Ozalo. This is their songs. Big Zulu song.
Big Zulu nenkani womsabu ngamaso somateki sonemali khohlwa nje mfana ungayikali noma ngakuthuka ungamnaki phethe lo shunu wenkaba vele uxolisa ungaxwali ngene hostela nge-stroke 6 sikuphiko ngipipisi hlanye ingane bayimisi khipha isandla baskisi badlula uphume esik.
And now is Java song. As you know, Java is the man that kept the hit song. Yeah, and this man is like song of love. Yeah.
Distance, noma ngabe ukuthenga kodwa uhlala ukhona enhlizweni yami.
Yes, Java and Big Zulu are in the Umbutho Onozalo. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video for today. Thank you.